I want to tell y'all that I'm no longer part of Team Little Man. No shade. I still love them. They family. But if you guys want to book me for anything, Sweet 16, bar mitzvahs, weddings, all that hot stuff. Guys, I want you to also follow my social medias. It'll be right here. Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. Here. I'm put it right here. Follow all my social medias. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I just want to thank you guys for rocking out with me. My soldiers, my whatever. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm still talking. Okay. Jellyfish.